Hi, I'm Christy Spencer, interior designer and DIYer. Virtual rooms have come a long way, and with the help of computers, we can quickly design and create the perfect room. But, as all you do-it-yourselfers out there know, sooner or later, in the real world, you're gonna have to get your hands dirty. And if you've ever installed tile in a bath, you know just how difficult and messy it can be. All that measuring, cutting, and grout work that seems to get everywhere. We often have to leave it to the pros. But I found an amazing product that makes any install absolutely DIY friendly. It's called Palisade, and it goes up entirely with the simplicity of glue. It's made of rigid PVC and completely waterproof, making it perfect for wet areas like baths, kitchens, and basements. Now I know what you're thinking, PVC on my wall? Don't worry, Palisade tiles are absolutely stunning. Just look at these beautiful styles. The finishes are amazing. All right, let's get to it. First off, messy wet tile saw? Forget about it. Cutting Palisade is a breeze. You don't need any specialty saws or tools. Simply make your cuts using a standard saw. And if you don't have one of those, look how easy it is to just score and snap. And each tile features Palisade's easy-to-use interlocking tongue and groove edge design that comes together to perfectly resemble real grout lines. And that means no more dirty or crumbling grout. For me, that alone is worth the price of admission. To get started, you'll first want to install the trim edge that your initial tiles will fit into. If you'll be gluing the tiles on, dispense any modified silicone adhesive to the back of the tile, then slide it into place. Palisade can be installed onto virtually any surface, drywall, existing tile, or even wallpaper. It doesn't matter. Continue adding your tiles, checking level and straightness of the interlocking grout lines as you go. If applying in a shower area, you'll want to be sure to run a small bead of silicone sealant along each grout line. And finally, finish with matching Palisade trims. Inside corner trims, J trims, and L trims for any corner or edge will give you a professional look to your finished project. Now you can skip the grouting, wiping, and cleaning steps altogether. Not only do these tiles look amazing, they're durable, scratch and UV resistant, and feature an impressive 10-year warranty. And Palisade's larger size tiles mean you'll cover more area more quickly, allowing you to enjoy your new space sooner than you ever thought possible. Beautiful, easy to install, and long lasting. It's the perfect solution for DIYers like us. Rethink how you renovate with Palisade.